Howdy, today we're giving you a look at the new Dorado Royale Royale Suites. This is the first look. So you guys hang with us. You know, I'm Randy Otts with the Getaway Travel. You're Traveling Cowboy, and we're going to give you a first-hand view. So come on, come with me. The moment you step into the Royale Suite, you will feel the thought, the care that has gone into every little detail. The design is all about serenity, blending natural chacum finishes with elegant fine wood furnishings to create that modern but yet inviting atmosphere.
And let's talk amenities. You'll have everything you need for a luxurious stay. There's a smart TV, a coffee maker for your morning brew, and a minibar stocked with all your favorites. And don't forget the safety deposit box for your valuables.
The storage here is fantastic. Plenty of drawers, USB ports to keep your gadgets charged and organized. And when it comes to lighting, the room really shines, literally. The romantic light sets the perfect mood, whether you're relaxing after a long day or getting ready for the special evening.
Have you stayed at the Dorado Royale in their suites before? If you have, let us know down below in the comments. We want to know what you thought. Our opinion is the lighting really needed help. And let me tell you, these new suites do not disappoint there. Now the bathroom, it's spacious, it's modern, and it comes with a luxurious rain shower that feels like you're in your own personal spa. You'll want to take your time here, trust me.
But let's talk about one of my favorite features, the terrace. Step outside and you're greeted with a lush garden view that is relaxing as it is beautiful. The perfect spot to sip your morning coffee, evening wine, read a good book, or simply just take in the peaceful surrounding.
But that's not all. The location of these new rooms, building 17, is just fabulous. In fact, we've never stayed in this building before, but it's got La Isla restaurant right over there. It's got La Isla Pool right over there. It's got the La Cabana, the pizza restaurant right over there. And you are this close to the beach and can see the ocean. And then, if you want to taste a little tequila, you're right here. From the thoughtful design to the luxurious amenities, the new Royale Suites at Dorado Royale truly redefine what it means to stay in style.
So if you haven't experienced the Dorado Royale, or if you're ready to experience this for yourself, we want to help you plan your next getaway. Click the link below, send us a quote request. We will make sure that you get personalized attention, and we know your stay at the Dorado Royale is going to be perfect.
Check out this video, which explains more about the Dorado Royale.